Have you noticed your water softener stopped using salt? 5 easy steps starting right now. Hi, I'm John from the Water eStore. If this is your first time here, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button below in the right hand corner. We've got hundreds of water treatment videos and lots of great information to help you and your family. Also, I encourage you to watch this video to the end. We have a playlist with all our water softener videos in one place, providing lots of great information to help you with your water treatment concerns. Step 1. Understanding how a water softener works. Before proceeding, I highly recommend understanding how a water softener works. If you're not sure, click the link in the description below to watch our YouTube video on how a water softener works. It has lots of great information that'll help you with the troubleshooting process. Step 2. Check the most obvious things. Is it plugged in? Sometimes it can get unplugged or there might be a problem with the electrical system such as a brownout. Make sure the display is illuminated. Is the unit in bypass? The unit has a built-in bypass, but also follow the plumbing to make sure there's not another bypass next to it. Sometimes during other work or a plumber or a well-meaning person might actually open a valve that actually bypasses the water softener completely. Step 3. Pretty much every water softener these days is metered. It measures how much water you use and regenerates based on that usage. If the meter isn't working, it won't be able to tell when to regenerate and it'll stop using the salt. Testing the meter. Run some water in the house. We suggest hot water because it's always treated water. On the commonly used CLAC WS1, the word softening will flash on the screen, indicating that the meter's working. Start a manual regeneration. On a CLAC WS1, the regen button's right on the front. Press and hold it down for 5 seconds to start the regen. Let it go through its regeneration process. Step number 4, water softener software troubleshooting. The troubleshooting process is the same whether you're working with a CLAC WS1 water softener, 1 or 2 piece, or a WaterBoss high efficiency water softener 1 piece. The most obvious reason a water softener would stop using salt is if it's salt clogged. We have a great video on how to remove a salt clog from a water softener, and we'll add that in the description below. Step number 5, replacing the water softener completely. If it's time to replace your water softener, whether with a high efficiency WaterBoss or a CLAC WS1 valve water softener, please check out our e-commerce store at waterestore.com in the US and waterestore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. Just order and we ship it right to you. If you found this video helpful, please click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Click the links in the description below for our water softener playlist for more information on water treatment concerns for your family. For additional information, visit our websites. Again, I'm John from the Water eStore. Thanks for watching.